people out there when I got up here. Anyway, we're Dr. Bird, and this is a song called The River. By the waterside, well, we will cross the riverside. Let the moon be the guide. We can stand out and then we'll cross the river. Well, nobody knows. Hold my hand now. Take me across the river, baby. The other side, away from crying eyes, when no one ever could be alone. We could be alone. Across to the other side, away from crying eyes, well, no one ever knows to be alone. We could be alone, yeah, me by the river, down by my way. Well, we could be together. We could find out there. We could walk in that direction to the other side. And when we cross the river, there'll be no need to hide. Hold my hand now. Take me across the river, baby. Hold me close. Thank you very much. This is a song called Loneliness. Goes a little bit like this. Need someone, well, I will be there. No matter time of day, I really don't care. Or any time, 'cause I'll be with you anyway. 'Cause I know what loneliness can do. truth. You don't know. Well, I'll be around. Got no place to go. What stars can be found? Well, you know just what to do. 'Cause I'll be there through the door. From the truth, from the truth. Save you from the truth, from the truth. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for supporting live music. And thank you to the friends that have turned up as well. Yeah. I'll come to that later. So this is another one of ours. We've not released any EPs or LPs or anything. We're not flogging anything. But if you want to pay us, we'll be more than happy. This is a song called Reconsider, and it goes a little bit like this. If I ask you again, would you reconsider taking another chance on me? Now's the time to set you free. You can see the best of me. But one more thing I'd like to know before you pack your things and go. If I ask you again, would you reconsider another chance on me? Everyone can tell, but I know that things can improve, 'cause I've seen the best I could. We can reconsider another chance on me. Oh, I ask you again, would you reconsider taking another chance on me? another chance, so I will say one more time if I ask you again. We got to die. Another chance on us. Thank you. I saw some people dancing. Lady in the corner in the white trousers, you know you're standing out. I can see you dancing. This time, hang on. Got a bit ahead of ourselves. So next Sunday we're going to be playing down in Brighton at the Brighton Mod Weekender in a 500 capacity venue. Yeah. So we're playing the same songs, but probably a bit louder. So if you're down in Brighton, anyway, we're on the seafront. Come and see us. This is a song that I wrote when I lived in Brighton, and it's called Small Flat by the Sea. Please come on in, it's really nice to see you again, please take a seat. You have to move some books, don't give a mess a second look, I'm not that mean. I'll put the kettle on, I know you like your coffee nice and strong. That's the business there, just by the easy chair. Oh, welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. I'm glad you come, as you can see, I live alone, it's been 2 years now. Don't ask me why, I've always been a little shy to ask you out. I know I've got your favorite song, the radio players there by the easy chair. Oh, welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. Yes, you are welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. You can stay all night if you feel comfortable. There's no time living on no visit at all. You see, I really do love your company. Yeah, my baby. Small flat beside the sea. Love most is everything is nice and close to my front door. Girl, you look beat. I guess you like something to eat. You're starving, I'm sure. I put my shoes on. We could be walking all night long. Let's take it away. Oh, welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. Yes, you are welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. Yes, you are welcome to my very small flat beside the sea. Thank you so much, Brian. You timed that perfectly. This one is a brand new song. We've never played this live to anybody. We've barely played it live at all. It's a little song that I wrote a couple of weeks ago with the help of some people on Facebook, which is really nice. It's a song called In Town with Alice. Me and Alice and her Cortina, driving south down Margate Way, following the signs that will guide us, singing along to see Emily play. Watch her face as she checks the mirror, silently mouthing the verses lyrics. I tell her that I'm happy to have this on my day. In town with Alice. Along the Broadway went by an ice cream. Then we stepped down on the sandy shore. She takes my hand and whispers slowly, this is what summer days are for. I kiss her cheek and I smell her perfume as we get screams of dreamland laughter. I tell her that I'm happy to have this on my day. In town with Alice, in town with Alice, to feel the heat of the day slip by so fast. I try to think of any way to make this last. Can't believe that it's our final throw until it's time to go. I won't let her know. Sun is dropping in the time to go home, just enough time for one final ride. In the air we can smell the popcorn as we wander through the neon lights. Take a seat on the Ghost Train, I take my chance and hold it tight. Then I still what will be our last kiss on my day, my beautiful day. My final day in town with Alice, in town with Alice, must be with Alice, oh, Alice, yeah, yeah. Very much. That went better than expected. Get warmed up. Was it something we said? £6 to get in, 20 quid to get out. Considering the weather is a bit appalling outside, and it seems a bit strange to be playing this song is a song about the summer coming. It's called Days Are Getting Longer. You know, it'll soon be summertime. You know, the sun is gonna shine. So come on and lay on the beach with me. Cause the days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger. It's gonna get so hard. So come on, let's give this thing a shot. Come on, and lay on the beach with me. Cause the days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger, yeah. Oh, you know my days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger. It's gonna be so cool. Sipping cold drinks by the pool. Gonna take you, gonna hold you, gonna love you, girl, all summer long. Come on, I wanna take your hand. Cause we're all barefoot in the sand. And lay on the beach with me. Oh, yeah. Cause the days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger. You know my days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger. One more time, my days are getting longer, cause my love is growing stronger. Thank you very much. Another song I wrote while I was living down in Brighton. And it's one of those occasions when there was a girl I loved, didn't love me, and all that kind of old cobblers. No, she can't stand my guts. It's called What's a Boy to Do? It goes a little bit like this. the feeling just won't go away. And so tell me, what's a boy to do? Well, I think if I was you, when I wake up, you're the first thing on my mind. I'm sorry, but it happens all the time. So what's a boy to do? Oh, I think if I was you, I see you on the streets. I see you in the bars. I see you driving down the bus states. I see you driving round in cars. Oh, step but you just don't wanna know. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening. As I said, we are Dr. Bird. On the old shiny sex whistle thing here is Greg. Big hand for Greg, please. Even for those who don't know him. Be lovely. On drums, we've got Richard. On bass, stepping in tonight for our normal bass player, Ben, who's otherwise engaged, is Chris. That job Chris has done. And my name's Bobby. A ripple would do, it's fine. And this, hopefully, is going to be our first single. And it's called, what's it called? It's called Month of Sundays. Stop being nice. Be a call, baby, before I listen to your advice. 'Cause the first time you met me, baby, I never had a soul. It took a month of Sundays before I listened to you. Well, you called me once, baby. You won't catch me twice. This next time I listen, the cat would have lost his nine lives. 'Cause the second time you entered me, baby, oh, I felt so. It took a month of Sundays before I listened to you. Well, it took a month of Sundays before I listened to you. You know it took a month of Sundays before I listened to you. it'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. Girl, it'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. It'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. Together with our time, we don't need nobody else. It'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. It'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. It'll take a month of Sundays before I listen to you. We're going to stop playing till you start dancing. Once again, thank you for listening to Dr. Bird. Thank you for supporting live music. And most of all, thank you for being you. Thank you so much. Good night.